Today we want to look at surface area of a cylinder. Do you understand what a cylinder is? A cylinder has a curved surface and two circular ends. For instance, what I've sketched on the board is a cylindrical shape. It has two circular ends. That is, the circular ends, they have radius represented by r and the height represented by h. We have the formula of finding the surface area of various cylindrical objects. For instance, we can have a water tank. Yes, a water tank that has a circular ends and a curved surface. Okay, we can also have an example of a water pipe. We can have an example of a container. So let us look at these formulas on how, and then we will learn on how to use them. The formulas are as follows. The first one is for a closed cylinder. We find this surface area as this, using this formula. Surface area of a closed cylinder is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh. This 2 pi r squared here refers to the surface area, or the area of the circular faces. The circular faces, the top and the bottom. We have 2 here. You know that the surface area of a circle is pi r squared. That's what we have here. But now we have these 2 here because the circles are 2. 1, 2. That's why we have 2 circles here. So therefore, 2 by r squared is the area of the circular parts, and 2 by rh is the surface area of this curved surface. Then let us go to formula number 2, the open cylindrical container. Open cylindrical container. I used the word container here to mean this is a container used maybe to store something. For instance, you have a water bucket that is in a cylindrical in shape, or a water tank. So what is the formula of finding the surface area of this cylindrical tank? Remember, it is open at the top. If it is open is at the top and it doesn't have a lid, but at the bottom it is closed because it is a container. So the surface area will be pi r squared plus 2 pi rh. Here we have pi r square only. There's no this 2 pi r square because it is a container. The top is not closed. The top is not closed. It's only the bottom. So this pi r squared is the area of the bottom circular part, plus 2 by rh is the area of the curved surface. Then let us go to the third kind of a cylindrical solid. We have a cylindrical water pipe. Do you know water pipes? The pipes that are used to transport water. So the water pipe is in a cylindrical shape, but you understand that they are open in both sides. So this water pipe are open in both sides, so they don't have the circular ends. They are not closed at the end, meaning we will not calculate the surface area. We will not calculate the area of the circular parts. It's only the area of the curved surface. That's why we have surface area of a pipe is equals to 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. I hope you have captured the formulas, and once we understand these formulas, calculation of the surface area of a cylindrical objects will be very, very easy. Let us go. Now this is example 1. It states that a closed cylindrical container has a 7 centimeters radius and a height of 20 centimeters. Calculate its surface area. So this is how we go about it. It is very simple. Solution: we said it is closed. A surface area of a closed container surface area is 2 pi r squared because of the two circles plus 2 pi r h. So if I sketch that container here, let me sketch the container here. Yes, the height is 20 centimeters, the radius is 7 centimeters. So I can now feed the values in the formula. This is 2 times, we have said pi is 22 over 7, 22 over 7 times radius, which is 7 times 7, plus 2 times 22 over 7 times the radius, which is 7, times the height, which is 20. So if we have that one, we can calculate so easily. Cancel this 7 and this 7. Also we can cancel this one out, so we can have 2 times 22 times 7 plus 2 times 22 times 20. This will give us 308 plus. So if you multiply, this one will give you 880, this one will give you 308. If you add, it will give you 1188. So by doing so, you have calculated the surface area of that cylindrical container. Number 2, an open water tank has a radius of 10 meters and height of 12 meters. Calculate its surface area. Take pi as 22 over 7. So this one is an open water tank. Open, it does not have a lid at the top. Surface area, we say surface area. Let me use SA to refer to surface area, is equals to pi r squared. Pi r squared is the area of one of the circles. That's the bottom, plus the area of the curved surface, that is 2 pi r h. So if I sketch the water tank that is open at the top, yeah, at the bottom is closed, it's closed, but at the top it is open, and the radius is 10 meters, the height is 12 meters. What we do, we substitute in the formula. This is 22 over 7 times radius is 10 times 10, okay, plus 2 times 22 over 7 times 10, which is the radius times height, which is 12. Here we will get 314.29 plus, what about the other part? So in the curved surface we have 754.29. So if we add, we have the total surface area to be 1068.58 meters square. That is the surface area of that tank. I hope you have understood up to that point. I want to give you an assignment. That is the assignment. Once you are done with it, send to the comment section of this video. Thank you so much. If you like our videos, you love our work, please subscribe to our page in Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Thank you so much.